Welcome to AK Educademy Learning Hub, your one-stop shop for education and tutorials. From math and science to technology and history, we've got you covered. Join the learning revolution with AK Educademy Learning Hub and unlock the power of education today. Welcome to our video on how to study effectively and manage time during exams. As the exams approach, it's crucial to have a strategy in place to make the most of your study time. In this video, we will share some valuable tips and techniques to help you study effectively and manage your time efficiently during this critical period. Let's dive in. 1. Set clear goals. The first step towards effective studying is setting clear goals. Establish what you want to achieve in each study session or for the entire day. Set specific, achievable targets that will keep you motivated and focused. 2. Create a study schedule. Time management is key during exams. Create a study schedule that includes dedicated blocks of time for different subjects or topics. Plan your schedule in advance, accounting for breaks and other commitments. Stick to your schedule as much as possible, as it helps you maintain consistency and discipline. 3. Organize your study materials. Keeping your study materials organized will save you a significant amount of time. Have separate folders or binders for each subject to avoid confusion. Use sticky notes, highlighters, and other tools to mark important information in your textbooks or notes. This way, you can easily locate and revise the essential concepts. 4. Break down your study sessions. Long study sessions can lead to fatigue and reduced concentration. Break down your study sessions into smaller, manageable chunks. Aim for 25 to 30 minutes of focused study followed by a 5 to 10 minute break. Use your break to stretch, grab a snack, or do something enjoyable to refresh your mind. 5. Active learning techniques. Passive reading and memorization may not be the most effective ways to study. Instead, engage in active learning techniques to enhance your understanding and retention. These techniques include summarizing information in your own words, teaching concepts to others, creating flashcards, and solving practice questions. 6. Prioritize important topics. Not all subjects or topics carry the same weightage in exams. Prioritize your study time based on the importance and difficulty level of each subject or topic. Allocate more time to areas that you find challenging or that carry higher marks. This ensures you give due attention to crucial areas. 7. Eliminate distractions. Distractions can hinder your productivity and focus. Find a quiet study space where you can concentrate without interruptions. Put your phone on silent mode or place it out of sight. Use browser extensions to block distracting websites temporarily. Create an environment that supports your concentration. 8. Seek clarity and ask for help. Don't hesitate to seek clarity on confusing topics or ask for help when needed. Reach out to your teachers, classmates, or online forums for assistance. Understanding concepts thoroughly will save you time during revision and help you perform better in exams. 9. Take regular breaks and rest. Remember to take regular breaks and get enough rest during your exam preparation. Sleep is vital for consolidating information and maintaining mental sharpness. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night. Taking breaks and resting rejuvenates your mind and enhances overall productivity. 10. Practice time management during exams. Time management doesn't end when you enter the exam hall. Plan your time during exams wisely. Read through the entire exam paper before starting to answer any questions. Allocate time to each question based on its marks and difficulty level. Stick to your schedule to ensure you complete the exam within the allocated time. 11. Use memory techniques. Memory techniques can help you retain information more effectively. Try techniques like mnemonics, visualization, or creating acronyms to remember key concepts, formulas, or lists. These techniques can make studying more engaging and enhance your recall during exams. 12. Practice past papers. Familiarize yourself with the exam format and types of questions by practicing past papers. This allows you to understand the structure of the exam and identify any knowledge gaps. Practice answering questions within the given time frame to improve your speed and accuracy. 13. Stay positive and manage stress. Maintaining a positive mindset and managing stress is crucial during exams. Avoid negative self-talk and believe in your abilities. Practice relaxation techniques such as deep breathing, meditation, or physical exercise to reduce stress and anxiety. Taking care of your well-being ensures better focus and performance. 14. Review and revise regularly. Regularly review and revise the material you have studied. Consolidate your knowledge by summarizing key points, creating mind maps, or using digital tools for spaced repetition. Reviewing helps reinforce your understanding and strengthens your long-term memory. 15. Practice self-care. Finally, don't forget to prioritize self-care during the exam period. Take breaks to engage in activities you enjoy, spend time with loved ones, and maintain a balanced lifestyle. Nourish your body with healthy meals and stay hydrated. Remember, a well-rested and balanced mind performs better. Conclusion. Studying effectively and managing time during exams require a systematic approach and discipline. By setting clear goals, creating a study schedule, and implementing active learning techniques, you can make the most of your study time. Prioritize important topics, eliminate distractions, and seek help when needed. Remember to take breaks, get enough rest, and practice time management during exams. With these strategies in place, you can increase your chances of success. Best of luck with your exams. Thanks for watching AK Educademy Learning Hub. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay up to date on all our latest content. Keep learning with us and let's make the most of your educational journey. See you in the next video.